Hey class, one thing I want you to take into this weekend with you, as we learned about attackers, um, evaluate, really try to contemplate what can an attacker be. Um, I brought up this question this morning to my face-to-face class. Could you yourself be the attacker? Could you attack yourself and then be the victim of your attack? This got a good discussion going, and you don't have to reply to this into a discussion. If you do, feel free to, but take that in consideration that some attackers might not realize that they're even being the attack, or they're even initiating the attack. Um, Grandma, grandpa, you know, they could have no idea that you know double clicking that file could initiate the attack, um, but they themselves were the attacker. Take that with you. I'll do my best to check in tomorrow. If not, I'll do one more voice recording at my house. I don't have a camera, but I will do a voice recording. Have a good start to your weekend. Make sure you get responses to those cases. They're looking perfect in week one discussion. This is what they're supposed to look like. A lot of interaction, the perfect length, and once you reply, that's definitely just the correct sort of responses I want to see. Is just like, hey, that's a good idea, or hey, look at this, or I thought about this, or hey, what do you think about this aspect? Perfect way to start this. Make sure you get that quiz done within content one. Let's see if my internet, there it goes. So week one, make sure you get that quiz done. It's the very last thing to do. It's always due Sunday before midnight, and that's the last of your assignments for this week. This week was relatively light. As we progress into week two, it should open up. You guys will be able to see it Sunday night, but it will not open until Monday at 1 o'clock. Which leads us into week two discussion. Once again, we have a couple more labs to do, so we are ramping up. But let's see, it's not going to be a steep incline. It's going to be a real gradual incline to we're doing more and more work as you guys get used to it. And then when it comes at the end of the semester, we're going to throttle that back just to give you guys time to study for that final. So I'll check in again later this week. Have a good night. Bye.